At Hartford Local Computer Repair, your satisfaction is always guaranteed. Serving the Hartford area since 2001, our products and services for the home include new computer setup, new software installation, internet and VPN access, and removing viruses and other problems. We also offer business services like network design and support, convenient service contracts, server troubleshooting, and technical consulting. All our technicians are licensed and insured, and 24-hour service is available. So call us today at 866-433-5435. If your computer is driving you crazy, relax. Hartford Local Computer Repair will come to your home or business.